Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making a wonderful Mexican rice using this Taj Nutri-Brown Basmati rice. This rice works really well in burritos and I'm going to be assembling some with my brother. Let's get started. Now that my rice is done, it's time to assemble some burritos. So I'm here with my brother and we're just going to make 2 burritos. My brother and I made these burritos for dinner tonight, and I'm sure it's something your family will love. Please give this a go and enjoy.